Hello and welcome back.
Hello and welcome back. Our next memory verse starts with the letter G.
Matthew 28 verse 19. Go therefore and make disciples of all nations.
After Jesus rose from the dead, he told his disciples to go and share the good news with everyone, which means God wants all nations and everybody to know about God's love.
Even though Jesus was speaking to his disciples, he was also speaking to us. Today, we all have a part to play, like reading our Bible and sharing with friends, or helping someone in need. We are all called to share God's love.
Hope this blesses you.
See you in the next video. Bye.